reopening of Kacek Hall is an immeasurable beacon of the commitment the leadership and the faculty of IIT have to provide opportunities for a neighborhood and for a population that has been our driving force since its founding over 120 years ago.
Living here has been really fun because everything is brand new. It's very community centric, so like all the rooms are placed facing the lounges, which I found really cool because the main point is a building community, and so having everything kind of like face the lounges in like a social setting is really good.
It's like a fresh new start, you know, and so then new students that are moving in here can have a good dorm life, and they can just experience IIT and Chicago at like a whole different level.
You feel like you have like the best spot in the entire like IIT dorm-wise because it's the most north building, and so you have like the best view of the city. You have the best view of the south side as well.
For the new students that are coming here, we all hope that this could be a place that they can find comfort in. This is like their safe haven, you know? Like we're outside going to academic classes, we're stressed, but this is a place where anything can really happen. You can study here, you can sleep here, you can spend time with your friends. We really want to build a community that empowers individuals so that they can feel like they can be a leader or a friend to someone else. We want to be able to have a domino effect where if one person does something good, it can just keep going.